During the recent visit of Prime Minister to Netherlands, there were the copper inscriptions or the copper plates that were returned by Netherlands to Prime Minister Modi. Now, when it comes to these copper inscriptions or the copper plates which were returned, they were returned by the Prime Minister of Netherlands, that is Rob Jetten, to Prime Minister Modi. And these copper plates, they were in the possession of the Leiden University for nearly 2 centuries. Now, they were taken away from India in the 17th century by Florentius Camper, a Dutch East India Company official, and later on he deposited these plates at the Leiden University. Now, when it comes to these copper inscription, basically these were issued by Rajendra Chola I, and it was for the implementation of his father's decree. The father, who was Raja Raj Chola I, he actually gave the Anai Mangalam village to the Chula Mani Varmana Buddha Vihara or Chudamani Vihara as Palichandam. Now, when it comes to Palichandam, they were the grants that were given to non-Hindus, and they were called as the Palichandam. Now, it is very important because this is where UPSC asks the questions related to art and culture. And when it comes to this Vihara was built by the Javanese king, that is Sri Mara Vijayatunga Varman. He was from the Sri Vijaya kingdom. In the name of his father, he built this Vihara, which was later on demolished by the Jesuit pursuits in 1857. So when it comes to the Chola Empire is one of the favorite empire that had been asked by the UPSC frequently, and it was also the empire which had a very strong and efficient navy when it comes to the ancient India. So this is one of the important news that we have discussed in today's The Hindu. If you have not watched The Hindu, please watch it right now. The complete analysis on the channel of Study IQ IAS in English, and even you can join me every day at 9:30 a.m. for the complete Hindu analysis. Thank you, bye-bye, take care, and Jai Hind.